From now on, we use our professional, dedicated, and forward-looking attitude and capability to interpret our philosophy. For craftsmanship and dedication, Jingguan Intelligent is a professional and innovation-driven manufacturer specializing in R&D, casting, machining, sheet metal processing, and assembly of large CNC machine tools. Relying on extensive experience in CNC machine tools manufacturing in China and Taiwan, we have been able to develop and grow rapidly. At present, our monthly sales have reached more than 250 units, and the annual sales have reached more than 3,000 units, having rich industry resources accumulated over the years, strong technical background, and leading R&D capabilities. We have the integrated manufacturing capacity, including machine bed, work table, column, crossbeam, and gantry girder casting, parts processing, sheet metal machining, and assembly. We can provide customers with high quality and reliable products. We can also provide professional and customized equipment according to customer requirements, and help customers solve all kinds of production problems. Through close cooperation with academic and R&D institutions, we have built a strong R&D team with professional technicians both from China and Taiwan. Each exquisite craftsmanship originates from the researcher's persistence. Each quality breakthrough is inseparable from the strict control of technical personnel. Each product is made with hard work and effort of Jingguan people. Nowadays, we can provide vertical machining centers, CNC boring and milling machines, horizontal machining centers, gantry machining centers. These products have made us the first choice for customers in high-end manufacturing fields of new energy vehicles, aerospace, rail transportation, engineering machinery, and wind power generation. In order to ensure the accuracy and quality of our products, we strictly control test items of precision equipment to ensure that every machine delivered to customers have superior quality and performance. With advanced production technology, exquisite craftsmanship, excellent product quality, and a faithful after-sales service, Jingguan has been widely recognized by international markets and gained excellent reputation and appreciation from customers. Both now and in the future, we will continue to improve our products that meet customer requirements. We are committed to becoming a high-quality machine tool manufacturer at home and abroad, determined to be a fine craftsman in the manufacturing industry and a dream maker in pursuit of perfect quality.